Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can download Fortnite on Android. Before we get started, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your mobile device and search for Fortnite Android. After that, open the Epic Games website and it will ask you to download an application. Download and install it, and the Epic Games launcher will be installed completely. After that, open the launcher and search for Fortnite. Select install and it will start downloading. After the app is downloaded, open it up and it'll start downloading its resources. So that's how you can download Fortnite on mobile. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.